Good day to you, my friend. You're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I remain your host, Olajide. Today, I want to share with you how you can trade on Binance Spot Exchange as a beginner. How to relate or use Binance Spot Exchange to your advantage as a beginner. Now, I want to assume with this video that you have registered with Binance and that you have verified your account with them. Having done that, you log in into your Binance account. When you log in, you are shown this page that you are seeing at the moment. So, once you see this page, the next thing is to confirm that you have enough fund in your wallet. So you click on wallet below. At the bottom, you see wallet, click on wallet. Now, because I have opened this is how it will show for you when you click on it. So when it shows like this, you look up like this. At the top here, under portfolio, you will see spot. Click on that space. When you click on it, it will bring out this figure. That is where you are going, this coin, and with the amount of money that you have in them. Like you can see my BTC now, I just have $21.65. And then BNB, I have $8.63. Mana, I have 3. And then USDT, I have $0.547247. CRV, I have something small there too. Like that, like that. Now, since you want to use USDT to actually trade, buy other coins here. So you have seen that, okay, you have enough fund in your USDT before you go ahead. Having done this, you then come back to the bottom side and click on trade. So when you click on trade, let's assume I'm not buying BTC. As you can see BTC USDT at the top here. Let's assume I want to buy another coin with USDT. All that you need to do is to click on that BTC USDT that you are seeing at the top. When you click on it, it will bring you here. When it brings you here, you choose the coin you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy this Harvey. Now, it has changed it to Harvey for me here. Now, the thing is this. You can see buy and sell there, limit. Let me quickly explain to you. When you want to place an order here, this limit is very, very important for you, most especially for those of you who are beginner. You need to ensure that this limit does not change to markets. The difference between that is that this limit allows you to set the price that you want to buy. And then when you set that price, once the market reach that price, it will buy for you. But if you have market there by clicking in the front arrow there and you change it to market, once you enter the amount of USDT you want to use to buy and you click on buy as it is now, it will buy at the current price that the market is selling that coin for you immediately. But we are not using that. We are using limits. So I can now set this to be 80. That is, I want to buy at 80 naira, $80 per AAVE. So I will now say all the fund in my wallet. If I want to use all the fund in my wallet, you click on 100%. If it is 75% of the fund, you click on 75. If it is 50% of the fund, you click on 50. If it is 25, you click on 25. Once you click on it, you will see the equivalent total unit of that coin that you want to buy above you. So as you can see, 0.005 Harvey is what I want to buy with my 75% of my fund. So once you have done this, you just click buy. Now look at this. It's going to tell me I have insufficient fund, right? Because I don't have enough fund in my wallet. But what happened is that the moment you do that, that will be recorded here for you. It will be recorded here for you. And then you can see it under this open order, or you click on this book that is at the top on the right here. Once you click on that, it will bring you to this place. If you have any open order, it will be there. If you want to see your order history, you will see all that you have bought and sold here. If you look at this, you see all that you have bought and sold there. So you move back. Once you click on buy and the market get to the $80 price that you set, it will buy for you. And once it buy, that order will disappear from here. And that's how you know that it has bought it for you. Then the next thing is to come to sell. And when you come to sell, okay, the coin that you bought for 80 naira, how much do you want to sell it? Maybe you want to sell it 100 naira. Then you say, click on 100%. You want to sell everything that you have bought. So once you click on 100%, and then it is limits that you have, and then so just click on sell AAVE. Once you click on it like that, it will bring it down here. Once the market rises up to meet that price, it will sell off and credit your account with your profit. So this is how to use Binance Spot Exchange. And you can change this coin that are above here to anything, any coin that you want, So that is how it works. Now, let me quickly say it to you that this is to guide you as a beginner. There are some other things that you need to know for you to be able to trade effectively in this, so that you will not just be doing guesswork to trade here. So I come to the end of this video. Look forward to more of my video, as I will break down some of those things that you need to understand before you can use Binance. But for those of you who are already aware of what to do, how to go about this here, you can start using it straight away. With that, I have come to the end of this video. I want you to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and then share with your family and friends. Till I come your way again another time, when we do this again together, enjoy your day.